interrupted with the FL/Slayer64 module DLL blocking image line workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for FL/Slayer64 module, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the FL/Slayer64 module, the 64-bit engine library for the Slayer guitar synthesizer plugin in FL Studio. If missing, 64-bit FL Studio projects will report the plugin Slayer could not be found, breaking the audio design for projects using electric guitar modeling. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. When FL/Slayer64 module DLL is reported as missing, it often points to a corrupted graphics stack. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to fix legacy DirectX components, and ensure your GPU drivers are updated if the file is associated with CUDA, OpenCL, or OpenGL. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with FL/Slayer64 module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use Step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like FL/Slayer64 module DLL. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to FL/Slayer64 module. To keep FL/Slayer64 module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.